Welcome back to Crates to Cabin. Arrived home today. It's another parcel, so we're going to do another unboxing video. Let's jump into the video. So I came back from a Forage for Knowledge session with the volunteers today to find this set outside. It's quite a hefty box. So let's have a look what it is and who it's from. Let's go there. Oh wow, look at this. The Andy from Anytime Garden. I'll put a link in the description. Their logo should be up here somewhere. I sent us a whole load of new bits. Got Anytime Garden's own no leak garden hose nozzle with ergonomic grip. Easy to hold grip, 8 pattern sprayer, it's heavy duty and it has a metal pistol nozzle. Put that there. We've also got some 8-inch hand pruners. And then we've got a 2 meter by 3 meter tarpaulin. We then have a 4 meter by 5 meter tarpaulin in green. Then we have a 3 meter by 4 meter tarpaulin in green. Now these are going to be great for doing outdoor sessions. Attach them to the car as well. So we've got a shelter. It says here, ideal for camping, car, motorbikes, construction, pool covers and roof coverings. That's 3 brilliant tarpaulins. They're going to help when we do sessions, be it bushcraft sessions, woodland sessions, even events. So thank you very much. We'll go through these again. Got the 8-inch hand pruners, which are going to make all the difference in the community garden projects, and they've been oiled as well, I can see from the bag. Little clip here, and everything's got the Anytime Garden logo on it. And put them back in there. Then the no leak garden hose nozzle. It's got the warranty. Yeah, anytimegarden.co.uk. Register your warranty for your parts. Then you can join the gardening community on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. You can also get free ebooks and how-to guides and special offers. www.anytimegarden.co.uk, also anytimegarden.eu. We've got an on-off switch here. It's like a little volume nozzle. It's plus or minus to make it more or less. Then we've got jet, center, mist, shower, rinse, flap, soaker and cone. So be sure to try these out, and with the other products we've received, and we'll be doing some product review videos. So once again, Anytime Garden and Andy, thank you very much. You guys get a thumbs up from me. Thank you very much for these little bits. It's going to help with our community projects and here at home as well. So That's all from me today. Thank you very much. Stay safe. I'll see you later.